Creamy spinach fettuccine.
I got the same one.
Peel it. First try.
Peel it. How did you get that first try? Got it.
Peter, I don't think so. Yeet.
I don't think so either. Yeet.
And raspberry first strike bar. Ribbit.
Mine came with a chocolate first strike bar. Ribbit.
All natural coloring. Really good.
It's a lot better than what I was expecting.
Peanut butter and crackers. Not good.
Peanut butter and crackers. He's right. It sucks.
The main course.
I'm excited for this one.
Let's try it. Ugh, not perfect.
Let's try it.